Learning target 2.14, I can identify single, double, and triple bonds in Lewis structures. This is another nice and brief one. Okay. Here's what you need to know. Let's start with the single bond. The single bond is when two electrons are shared. Oops, shared. There we go. So let's imagine you have two shoes. Two shoes is equal one pair. So we call that a pair of electrons. Okay. We show this as a line between two atoms. The next one is a double bond. I'm going to make these arrows. That means 4 electrons are shared. And if you have 4 shoes, that's 2 pair of electrons. An example of this is going to be, let's just say carbon. Right, 2 lines. And finally, my triple bond. Triple bond is when you have 6 electrons that are shared between 2 of them. So you have 3 pairs of electrons, and you'll see this with nitrogen. It's shown with 3 lines, 2 lines, 1 line, but we know that this means a total of 6 electrons are in here, 6 being shared. That's all you really need to know about single, double, and triple bonds. So let's go ahead and do an example question. In this diagram, how many bonds are present between the carbons? So I'm looking right here, between the carbons. Wow, that's a lot of dots. That's 6 dots. So the answer is 6. Not. Do not be fooled. This is your trap answer. So they want you to see 6 because they want you to see the 6 dots, right, that are between the carbons. But the question is, how many bonds are there? And when we're talking about bonds, you want to think of them as pair. Pair equals bond. So how many pairs are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 is your correct answer. Right. So Lewis structures are, again, a short way of showing the valence electrons in an atom and how they bond to other atoms.